Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 13th here at KIT Iizuka, third period, English 5 C. I want to talk to you about today's class and your conversation class that will come up next week. The way the population is going right now, there are 26 people, so there will be two people who will be in a couple of pairs, but we'll work that out a little bit later. Right now, let's take a look at the content of what's happening this week in class, sorry, not class 6, class 7. Oops, I didn't realize that I haven't shown you this yet. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, class number 7, 11, 13. Basically, I want to finish out this partner name and student submission, and I'll take care of that after I finish this, and the rest of you go on to your Quizlet material. I want to also make sure that you all check the information that was provided to me by the university about your TOEIC. This information might change before your TOEIC test, but as soon as I hear anything, I will tell you. Otherwise, check the information that's here, okay? And the instructions that are there for you to submit your TOEIC results to me. Today's warm-up, we're going to be using Quizlet, and this week's study set is right there. After we do a little bit of Quizlet, then we'll use a counter to again check your speaking speed with one of the topics that we'll be using in the conversation test. The assignments for this week are basically your homework submission number 5 and a little bit about fluency again, one more time. I want you to constantly keep thinking about your fluency, okay? And let's see, I also wanted to tell you in the conversation test, okay, these are going to be your topics for that conversation test. Right now, we'll have basically 6 groups, 4 people each, just like last time, A, B, C, D, sitting together at a table. I will listen to the conversation. The top, what happened? Sorry about that. Okay, let's try that again. The topics are here for the test for next week. Not very different from what you did last semester in English 1C, basically the same ones. They'll be a little bit different for your final test, but basically the same thing again. 2 conversations, 4 minutes each. Your group can choose the first topic, but I choose the second topic. Okay, nothing too strange, but get ready, that's coming next week. So today, let's practice well. If you have any questions about any of that, please make sure that you contact me. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.